a father breaks the soul in two. Knew the day was coming, but it still tore me through. The spring of my life ran dry and gone. In that single moment, the whole world stopped. The phone rang quiet, come and see. I sat by the bed, thought it was just sickness, but the room grew cold, just a hum in the space. The machines went quiet, staring at your face. The lights dimmed low, the heavy silence fell. In that quiet room, I had to say farewell. My mind drifted back to the sound of your voice, the warmth of your arms, but I had no choice. I looked to the future, just a dark, empty blind, leaving the heaviest heart behind. You carried the load, stood out in the rain, my hero, my shelter, who absorbed the pain. You never just preached it, you lived it for me. Now I'm standing at the gates of my Eden. Yeah, the seed you planted, ah, my Eden. Grabbed the phone from mama, couldn't find the words, choked out, get ready, Lord, I'm on my way. Yeah, I'm on my way. Staring at the void, blind to the grace, but the seed in my soul is taking its place. Oh, Papa, my Papa, I'm just calling out for you, Papa. Every tree was your wisdom, your love was the light, your teachings were the path. You lived it so I could see. Your father's still beside you, hold him close, don't let him go. Every word he speaks to you is a seed of life you need to know. Oh, let it grow, Lord, let it grow. Don't cherish the love